Hey guys, how's everybody doing? All right, so for today I want to do this vase stand project, and I got all the supplies from the Dollar Tree, I think, except for like maybe one thing, I don't know. But anyway, I think it's gonna come out cute. I just want to do this so that I have a little bit of decor for my shelf. You know what I mean? So, yeah, I really want to get into it. So, let's do it. For this project, the first thing you want to do is take your vase, and then I chose these red gems because I'm going to put this in my kitchen, and I'm doing the kitchen in red and gold. So real simple, we're just going to start filling the vase with these. And then I also have these little crystal gems, and I just want to pour, you know, a little bit of sprinkle of that in there. If you guys can hear Fifi, she's eating, she's hungry. Oh wow, didn't make that happen. Okay, so that's cool. The next thing you want to do is take your mirror, and I have the little crystal gems here. So there's three different sizes. There's a big one, a medium, and a small one. So I want to take a big one and put right here on the little corners. Okay, I don't want to blind you, but can you see that? One on each corner. All right, so then after you have the big ones down, you're gonna come in on each side, and you're gonna put a medium-sized one. Okay, so that's done. So now you're gonna take the little small gems, and you're going to just fill in the rest of the edges with those. And hopefully they'll all fit. Okay, it looks like they will fit. Can you see that down here? Now, I do want to tell you guys that this glue dries really fast. So you just have a minimal window to get those on there, because they will stick. First of all, I don't know what's going on with my hair. Kind of look like Eddie Munster out here. But anyways, I gotta tell you guys about these freaking penguins, all right? They're pissing me off. So here's the deal. The female penguins out there, if they lose their chick, you know, like some dickhead predator comes and steals it or kills it, or, you know, whatever, these ladies will go and steal a baby from some other lady. And then, you know, she'll keep it for a couple weeks maybe, but then she just takes it out somewhere, is like, you know, stay right here, I'll be back. And then she never freaking comes back. She just abandons it, and more than likely it dies, you know? I mean, they'll try to fend for themselves, but it's a baby freaking penguin. What do they know? They don't know shit. So they just leave it to die. Really upsets me, you know? Bunch of bitches. Okay, again, I don't want to blind you, but can you see it? So it's all done. It's not perfect, but I'm not trying to sell it either, you know what I mean? So then the next part is going to be to glue this to the top. I'm just going to use the glue gun because it seems to be working pretty well for the little rhinestones, and this is not heavy. So we're just going to see what happens. Oh shit, that's hot. Oh, it's hot. Oh, and I just pushed one off. This one. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I do want to go ahead and clean that mirror before I put it out, but I think it looks cute, and I have not decided just yet what I'm going to put on top of that, but you can bet I'm going to show you when I do. So this was a real simple one, I think, and if you guys do one like this, I would love to see it. You know, you can fill this with so many different things. You can do the mirror so many different ways. I mean, the possibilities are endless, and you don't even have to use a vase. I was originally going to use a candle holder, you know, like, what do you call those? Candlesticks, like a glass candlestick. But then I saw this and I was like, oh dude, I could fill that up. You know what I mean? So anyway, thank you so much for coming to the show today. And I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you have all your wishes come true. And I will see you guys on the next one.